Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me tutorial for my business meeting. It's going to be a little bit casual. That's why I have my jacket on. This is jean jacket. It's a little bit cold right now. I'm going to take it off, and it's not like a strict business meeting, but still you have to look more or less presentable. This is the look, makeup look for you guys. It's not crazy, but it's showing that you have personality. In case you're interested in places, stay tuned and let's get started. I'm gonna get started with my primer. This is gonna be NYX primer, and I don't really want to focus on anything crazy today because we have business meeting, but I don't mind if it's bright but toned down glam. I will set my lid first with really soft colors. This is gonna be it, soft brown. I'm gonna pick this on my fluffy big brush and then just place it on top of my lid. I'm packing the color first. We're gonna take off the stickiness from the primer. I'm not really sure that I love the color. It's a little bit patchy because we have to use a little bit softer shade. I will go to my e.l.f. color palette and grab this soft color and place it on top to smooth everything out, to blend out all the colors, mix them together. It's gonna look much better. I have a tiny brush and these beautiful warm brown, and then I will place it over my crease. Not over, but a little bit lower than the crease. That's why I will have the room to work with the color. That's why I'm placing this first a little bit lower, and then while I'm diffusing and blending out, it's kind of like in the right place over the crease. I am gonna do a little bit more blending with my soft, big fluffy brush and this color. Let's grab some flat brush and wet this with the beauty blender. I have the moisture from my beauty blender, and if I'm lazy to go and wet my brush, I'm gonna use my wet beauty blender. And then I will grab a little bit of this glitter. It's shimmery product. Really love the color, and that's really important. If you use Morphe eyeshadows, it's really important to place really good eyeshadow primer. And then I will go over with this color. I love this glitter so much. And then I will go up to my crease, and then I will go with the same brush that we used for my crease, but I'm not gonna add any more color. I'm just gonna diffuse and blend out a little bit of this glitter, a little bit of the previous shade, so it's looking really blended. I wanna add like a small hint of something interesting. This beautiful orange in the inner corner. This is not the first time adding orange in the inner corner. Just this is warm shade. It's not gonna look off. That's why we're just gonna add it like that. We're moving to my lower lid. As for that purpose, I'm gonna grab the same brown and then just place it underneath. I don't want to do anything over my waterline. I believe it's just going to close my eye a little bit. I want to create this open illusion that I have like bright white eyes. Nothing red. And I will go with the same soft color and diffuse it. I'd say the final step from this routine is going to be shimmers. I'll add shimmery product over my brow bone, and I will add a little bit in the inner corner as well. It's just, create this brightness and open my eye even more. And I will go with my black Loreal liner. I will try my best not to mess up and create like thin line. I don't want to create thick line. That's it. And on top I will use my Essence mascara. It's so pretty. I'm gonna repeat the same steps for my left eye, and I'll show you how I do my lips and what outfits to pick. We're almost there. I need to create something for my lips. I'm gonna create a mix of both colors. This is gonna be NYX color. This is soft beige, kind of like brown color, and this is soft pink, I'd say. I want to mix them both and see what we have. I'm gonna use my pencil. top of the color, I'm gonna add my Wet n Wild lipstick. I will be back in a sec. I wanna have an idea what I'm gonna wear, and I will show you guys. So guys, I have on my white trousers, and then I will put on this shirt. I have this really cute jacket. It's not like strict kind of knitting, but I will probably take off this jean jacket a little bit later. I'm going because it's like really early morning. I don't want to put any sneakers. I want to put something comfortable, but a little more casual, I'd say. And something that I will call sensual, my fragrance. This is Calvin Klein Into You. I'll put on some jewelries. You're gonna see them in a sec, but this is it. This is gonna be the outfit. Soft, casual. We're gonna move a lot. I don't really want to put on any heels. This is it. Okay guys, and that is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial with me. Get ready with me. This is casual business meeting, and if you are interested how I do this hairstyle, I'm obsessed with this routine lately, let me know in the comments, and I'll do it for you. I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully guys. Love you. Bye bye.